back to my channel and thank you for coming back. My name is Summer if you are new here, and this is my second video. I am doing a makeup tutorial today. I hope you guys enjoy this look, and if you want to learn how to do this, then just keep watching. So I just wanted to say thank you for all the love on my first video. It honestly means so much to me. All your feedback was just so heartwarming and so encouraging. I decided to do a New Year's Eve inspired makeup look. So I am so excited for the new year. I get so pumped around this time, not just for the night, because honestly, I'm the type of girl that's gonna just probably stay at home in my jammies with my boyfriend, watch a movie, get a little New Year's kiss, and go to bed. But if you guys are doing something fun, which maybe we will do this year, but if you guys are doing something fun, I'm gonna do a glittery look, and I am so excited for it. Okay, so I did already start with my base. I have a primer on and my foundation, and I will link it below. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealer, and this is the same concealer that I talked about in my favorites video. It's the Tarte Shape Tape. I am in light neutral, and I'm just gonna apply this where I normally would. So that's gonna be right under my eyes here. And I like to do a triangle shape because that's gonna lift and brighten your eye. And you can also contour with a highlighter. So I'm gonna take it right down my nose here, the side of my nose. And most of our darkness is gonna be right here in the inner corner. So make sure you really get that. And then I'm gonna do my chin, top my lip, and maybe a little bit down my nose. I'm gonna go in with this Real Techniques brush. I'll just have everything listed down below because I don't know the numbers of these. I'm just gonna start buffing this into my skin. Okay, now that my concealer is on, I'm actually not gonna set it yet. I'm gonna go straight in with my cream contour. And for that, I use this LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is super opaque, guys, so be careful with it, but I'm in the shade Toast, and actually what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna apply it straight to my face because it is super opaque, like I said. I'm gonna take my Sigma brush, and I'm just gonna lightly put a little bit of this on the top of it. So to find your contour, I usually do a 3E motion. So I'm gonna go over here and over here. You wanna put your contour in the shadows of your face, and this is gonna suck it in. So we want our cheekbones to pop, like I said. So if you do a fishy face, you see those little shadows, that's right where you're gonna put it. Okay, and that is the cream contour done. You can see it just gives me a little bit more definition, and I love that look. Okay, so now I am gonna set my highlight while I work on my eyes. I'm just gonna use this Kat Von D powder. I'll link it below. It's just a loose powder, and it is in the peach shade. You guys probably won't be able to see this, maybe a little bit. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this. I'm not necessarily baking underneath my eyes. I'm just gonna set them. Anywhere where I applied that concealer, I'm gonna also put this powder. Okay, so with these MAC paint pots, they're so nice. They are eye primers. This is just a neutral color. And I am gonna use a brush to apply mine because my nails are super long right now. But if you have shorter nails, just go ahead and dip right into there. And I'm just gonna apply this right to my eye. Okay, so what's really important with primer is we're always gonna set it. So we're gonna just grab whatever eyeshadow you have that is just like a neutral color. It's not gonna change the color of it. Or use your face powder and just go ahead and set that. I'll just link down below the colors I'm using. This is just a neutral brown, and I'm gonna throw this right in my crease. I'm just using windshield wiper motions and really just buffing this out just to give a little bit of a shadow. Okay, so that's our first color on. It's just a little shadow in the crease, nothing special. And next I'm gonna take a bit of a darker brown with a more condensed brush. This brush is so old that it doesn't have a name on it. It's a Morphe brush. It's just a Morphe, like a small tapered brush. I'm gonna take a little bit of a warmer, darker brown, tap off the excess, and throw that in my crease again, but a little bit more detail just right in the crease. We're not gonna buff this out as much. I'm also putting this in my outer V right out here. Okay, now that we got that, we're gonna just go in with one more deeper color, and we're gonna put that just in the outer V. Whoa. Okay. That is so pigmented, guys. I barely touched my brush into this shadow, and look at it. Okay, so now that I have that, I am gonna go in and blend it out a little bit. Just using that same brush that I used last time. I'm gonna first use a glitter glue, and this is so necessary with glitter. And I'm just using this NYX glitter glue. It's nothing special, but it does a job. So it's gonna be kind of like a half cut crease. Just like that. Ooh, this matte glitter that is so gorgeous. It's kind of holographic. It's in the shade 3D Pink. It does have like a little bit of purple in there. Like I said, it's holographic, so it kind of gives off a bunch of different colors. I'm just gonna pour some into the cap of this. And then I'm gonna use the same brush that I used to apply that glitter glue. I'm gonna just dip that right in and apply that right to where we put the glitter glue. Okay, now we're gonna go back in with that blending brush and get rid of that line right there. And to do that, we're just gonna tap right on top of it. So I'm using my favorite pressed powder, the MAC one that I talked about in my last video, and just this big brush, and I'm just gonna go over my entire face. If you have more dry skin, just skip that step and move right on to your contour. So for my bronzer, I like to use this MAC one. It's called Give Me Sun, and my MAC brush. And I'm just gonna go over right where we put that cream contour. All right, now I'm gonna put some blush on. I never used to love blush, but I'm getting into it slowly but surely. Girls with big cheekbones like me, blush can be your friend. If you put it on right, you're gonna love it. So I'm just using this really pretty Makeup Forever blush. It's just like a deep berry color. And I'm gonna start back here and apply it. And then hit my cheekbones a little bit with it too. And then the excess, put just right on my nose. I am gonna do my eyebrows, but I'm gonna do them really quick and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and did my eyebrows, and then I also put a wing on, just with a liquid liner, and then put some lashes on. So I couldn't actually do that while filming because that takes a God-given talent that I don't have yet. So I will work on that, but I'll link the lashes that I used down below. They're nothing too crazy, but just a little bit of something. And I did a wing. If you guys don't like eyeliner, skip it. If you do whatever you want with it. This is just what I like to do for my eyes and my eye shape. So next then, let's throw on some highlighter, girls. So I'm gonna use the same one I used. Guys, if you didn't watch my first video, I did talk about a ton of these products that I'm using, so you should go definitely check that one out. This is my drugstore highlighter that is so bomb. You guys are gonna see it in action, so I'm gonna be using that, and I'm also gonna use my Anastasia brush. Like I said, I'll link everything I use down below. So, are you ready? What? Oh, so beautiful. Okay, also I'm gonna be kind of extra, and I'm gonna contour my nose quick. So I am just gonna grab whatever brush, just a blending brush that doesn't have anything on it. I'm gonna grab a little bit of a contour shade, and I'm just gonna hit it right up here to give me a little bit more definition. And then I'm just gonna come straight down. So to contour your nose, I kind of need to see your nose to tell you how you should contour your nose. But basically, I'm just doing 2 lines. Then I'm going to just use a clean brush and just kind of blend that so it's not too crazy. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of the highlighter on my nose too. I'm not too, I don't really do anything special with my nose highlight. I know some people do like the exclamation point. I don't really do anything special. I'll just throw it on there and call it good. So then I'm gonna grab another blending brush and I'm just gonna grab one of the neutral browns that we use, the medium shade, and I'm just gonna throw that under my lash line just for a little bit of definition. I am gonna throw a black in my waterline. I never wear eyeliner in my waterline, but I'm gonna for this video, so this is probably gonna look a little bit crazy to you guys, but I just close my eyes and throw it in there. Just really brightens it, like from this to this. Okay, I'm just gonna throw some mascara on my lower lashes now and I'll be right back. Okay, next I'm just gonna grab a shimmery white color and I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone with this. It's nothing special, but it gives a little bit of a shimmer, and then also my inner corner. Okay, and for the lips, I have two lip options, a nude per usual, and then a dark lip. So let's go ahead and throw this nude on first. And guys, I am such a lip liner junkie, but I can't find any of mine. I have like 20 and I literally can't find any of them. I'm in the process of moving right now, so I'm pretty sure they're like all hiding in the same spot, but I can't find them. So we're just gonna see how this goes without lip liner, but I definitely recommend you use a lip liner. But okay, so this first combo I'm using is first Morphe Liquid Lip in Virgin. Then I'm gonna put this Huda Beauty lip gloss in Angelic. It's so pretty. It's just like the Chanel ones I talked about yesterday. I'm just gonna put this in the center of my lips. Okay, so this is the final look with a nude lip. For the dark lip, I'm gonna use this Bobbi Brown lipstick. It's like a deep brown, but I love it, so. All right guys, and this is the finished look. This is the dark lip with it, kind of whatever you guys choose, your preference. You could do a pink, you can do a red, you can do whatever you want with this. Just kind of match it with your glitter, kind of with your outfit. You do whatever you want, girl. All right guys, so I just want to say thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe and like and give me a comment. I love hearing your guys' feedback. Also, if you are having plans for New Year's Eve, I hope you guys have so much fun. Please stay safe, make good decisions. Also, rock the glittery eyeshadow. If you guys do try this look, please tag me. My Instagram will be linked down below. I want to see all your recreations. If you have questions or comments or any video requests, please leave them down below too. I am so excited for the new year to come and to be able to spend it with you guys and to just watch this grow more and more. So thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye. Can't tell if I'm digging this look. It's supposed to be like a JLo inspired hair tutorial. The bigger the hoop, the bigger the heart. You heard it here first, kids. I just like punched myself with that. Ew, I literally just got an NIL. I just went so hard on these lashes. I'll clean that up in 1 minute. I just got mascara literally all over myself. How does that even happen?